Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that means to make something clear or explain it. Elucidate. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is Elucidate. Let's break it down. First, we have IH, which sounds like the E in bit. Next is lu, which rhymes with U and is the stressed syllable. Then comes psi, which sounds like sigh in simple. Finally, date, which rhymes with late. Now, let's put it all together. Elucidate. Try repeating after me. Elucidate. Now a little faster. Elucidate. And at full speed, elucidate. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Elucidate means to make something clear, to explain or clarify a concept or idea. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce elucidate and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.